This is Taps and Portals. Two new Lunacy effects crafted in collaboration with Benn Jordan. Together they open a whole new universe of creative delay and feedback design. Whether you want rhythmic precision or infinite chaos, you can now build any delay system your imagination can dream up. Let's start with Taps, our creative multi-tap delay engine. Taps lets you transform a simple echo into a whole new world of sound, from clean, classic repeats to surreal, kaleidoscopic delay patterns. Use it as a standalone plugin in your DAW or drop it right inside Beam, our multi-effects playground. The interface is split into three main sections, each one shaping time, space, and texture in a different way. First up, time. This controls your echo timing. Set it to free running or sync the delay to your session tempo. Next, the taps knob controls how many echoes you unleash. 1 or 2 taps give you that classic echo vibe. Crank it higher and things start to shimmer, scatter, and spiral into complex rhythmic webs. The multiply-divide toggle changes how your taps are spread across time. In the default multiply mode, each tap lasts as long as the delay time. If the time is set to a quarter note and the taps to 4, all 4 taps are a quarter note long. Switch to divide mode and those 4 taps fit into a single quarter note. Use the toggle to make everything from short, smeared delays in divide mode to long, rhythmic delays in multiply mode. The feedback knob shapes how much sound loops back into itself. Lower settings give you crisp, fading echoes. Higher ones bloom into lush, infinite tails. Hit freeze to lock the feedback in time. This is perfect for turning fleeting moments into droning soundscapes or evolving layers. Or use it to perform on top of an existing delay line without affecting the output. Front and center is where the magic happens, in the interactive taps panel. Each tap appears as a visual element you can use to shape time and pitch. In the spacing tab, there are controls for fade, ping-pong, skew, cluster, swing, and stereo, which let you sculpt how your taps are spaced and move across the stereo field. Switch to the pitch tab and you'll find 5 unique pitch modes for different filters and harmonic algorithms. Use modes like bell and band for smooth, controlled pitch, or create crystalline, metallic textures with comb and shift. Just drag each line up or down to set its pitch. Every tap becomes its own note in your delay line. On the far right, the tape section adds all the vintage quirks: wow, flutter, dropouts, and dust. Dial it in gently for subtle analog warmth, or crank it for dusty cassette weirdness. Taps comes with 50 presets, including custom designs by Benn Jordan himself. Instantly tap into everything from tight, rhythmic echoes to twisted, pitch-shifting dreamscapes. Next, let's take a look at portals, a completely new way to build custom feedback systems inside Beam. When you drop portals onto your Beam, you'll see 2 nodes appear, in and out. Whatever goes in comes back out, looping through your effects in ways that bend time, space, and logic. Now you can build complex, self-feeding feedback networks that evolve on their own, right in Beam. Route your signal around and between portals to create intricate, interlocking feedback paths. And if you're brave, add another portal inside your portals. That's right, nested feedback universes. Portals gives you 3 main controls. Gate determines how much of your feedback passes through, keeping everything balanced. Delay offsets your returning signal in milliseconds or note values for rhythmic movement or tempo-locked groove. And finally, feedback controls how much signal re-enters the loop. Keep it subtle for gentle motion, or push it all the way for wild, self-oscillating evolution. Don't worry, our smart feedback compensation system makes sure your speakers live to tell the tale, even at 100%. The real magic begins when you start chaining other effects between the portals. Each combination unlocks new, unexpected textures, warping, droning, or drifting forever. And modulation effects, that's where things start to breathe and shimmer like a living organism. Of course, you can combine taps and portals for endlessly evolving delay worlds that are uniquely yours. With all that power, we've included a panic button so you can cut your signal at any time and shape your world of sound without worry. Taps and Portals also comes with a new beam preset pack called Parallax, combining all other beam effects with the new delay systems. So that's Taps and Portals, two new effects that warp time, space, and imagination. Thanks for watching. As always, we can't wait to hear what you create.